Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka OM Roy Memorial Higher Secondary School Pynkut no yaka annual sports meet arajar arpusaw hakasan tarik uyayong arajar arpusaw hamaulai kentan masar hakaniga skile adon lang u assistant director katanat Ïalehkai ka sorkar jala uba payawar nongbri kumukongsan kumju u assistant director ka SAI training center Shillong UTS Chauhan kumusembut kongsan kumju u gunin Changmai SAI archery coach ka principal kong Ace Imli urang ba dong ba ebiam kinong hikai lembat ki Khynnah school hakani ka annual sports meet kabalane hadu prasngi lenter lala ban penong ya ki Ïalehkai ba pher nalor ki Yakop tho ese Yakop pentip bat kiwe haba ai jingkran hakani ga sngi uchauhan ulaong baki Khynnah ki de ban penle jingmut haka puli puthi bat ki de ru baneshim benta hakikam Ïalehkai namar kalong ka jingarap ban plilat haki jingpule jongki hakawai pat kalyang uba paya ulapan pau ka jingsngok men halor ka jingpau ki Khynnah kani ka school hakikam Ïalehkai tikumta ulakan tui ki Khynnah bakin long ki batre shitom haki jingpule jongki nalor ki jingeshim benta hakikam Ïalehkai ba pher hakani ka sngi lapan kup buromru ki Khynnah kani ka school ki balakhur takma haka 5th Meghalaya Games Khelo India bat haka North East Games kabalalong Hanagalan yaka namla du haka annual sports meet arhajar arpusaw lara ada ke Blue House.
Boxing, Miss Vietnam, boxing, Miss Diana for archery, Miss Melipar for athletics, Miss Jaisha Young for Mr. Gilbert Janai, athletics, Mr. Ram Lindor, boxing, Bankrinen Jasai, judo, really great shooting, judo, Rimina Inti, judo, Pynkut judo, Ïalehkai football, player judo, karate, Dati Shisha Sharaf karate, Ni Banlam team football, and Rukini car athletics. First stepping forward. 200 meter race under 16 girls. Dati Shisha of the Blue House. Hima of the red. 200 meter race under 16. May Baktimen of the Green House. Yenam Punjab 400 meter race. Rukini of the Green House. 400 meter race under 16 of the Yellow House. Menang Punjab of the Green House and Erickson of the Blue. Yaisha Bianford of the Blue House. 400 meter race of the Blue House and the board of the Red House. Singing competition solo. First, Naki Sabet of the Yellow House, Hima of the Green House, and third, Nakisha of the Blue House. Shot put under 16 boys. First
we have started this school sports meet, which I feel that besides other activities, both indoors and outdoors, we have started from the 26th, I think, of last month, and it's almost, I think, 8 days where you have these competitions. See, it's very important for each and every one of us that we take up curricular activities in our life, be it any sporting discipline or be it just exercise in life. Like my previous guest has just mentioned that it is very important for each and every one of you to have fitness in life. I think you know about Fit India. You can Google, you can watch, you can from your YouTube channels, and it is very important for each and every one of you to be fit. I just want to mention that just 2-3 days back we had done a send-off for the under 17 athletic state team which went to Khynnah. I was telling them, and please do introduce yourself, your name, your sport, your event. And very surprisingly, that all these athletes, amongst all of them, I could find that only one athlete is very smart, right? So why I'm saying that is that I want all the students, all of you, to be very smart in life. It's a very challenging atmosphere out there. You have to be smart while performing your dance, you'll be smart while singing your song, smart while playing activity. You have to be smart in life. I know that most of you are smart maybe outside the classroom when you're with your friends, but I don't see that you're smart enough when you are performing anything. But I would like to congratulate the winners of the various activities. We have a beautiful song from the students of the school, beautiful dance, choreographed very well. I congratulate the teacher, whoever choreographed that dance. Congratulations to each and every one of you.